noma isimo simanzonzo thokozela indaba eshisayo noma isimo simanzonzo.
Sad day. So yesterday receive indaba eshwaqisayo about the passing of uMalume Vector noLizwi wokuqala. Sad news. It really took me some time to really digest yonke into, you know, and right now, like, I just woke up this morning and it really hits me, you know. I was just thinking about all the good times we had with my bros, you know. I mean, I remember the first time Clara no Vector and let's see, oh, my nigga, me, I'm out here just to hustle for my daughter and my wife back home. And I was like, yo, and from that moment, I just liked him, you know. Outside of just the music, just him as a person, you know. And yeah, we never looked back from that day. We just made good songs, you know. Yeah. It's really so sad, especially for uLizwi. You know, I believe uLizwi bengakalitholi ithuba lakhe to actually show the world how great he is, you know. And for him to just leave us like this, like he lets him lose emqondweni wami. You know, sometimes I just sit back and think ukuthi uNkulunkulu kahle ubachuza kanjani abantu ekumele bathathe, you know. It's just so sad. And to umndeni wakaMoleli, I just want to say I'm so sorry. To the fans, I'm so sorry. And to us, we really lost a soldier. We lost a brother.